just like that. I feel like um random deja vu once again. I misspelled my. Wow, I must be dumb. Exactly. Oh, and really? Your mom did teach you how to say Spanish lessons? It says Tez. Therese. Uh, oh, oh, okay. Why do I keep doing smiley faces? That's kind of creepy. I had to pause the video because I had to fix my storage. Just gotta say it out loud. You could have fell down because you didn't put, buckle in your seatbelt. Duh. This is way too late. And then I just walked straight to her and, walked a little bit slower. Let her just take me. No, thank you. She was the one who literally kidnapped me. When was I? An 8-year-old doing this video? Probably not. No, I just tip. No, I wasn't. Perfect time for my battery to go off. Also, I never realized that was actually her baggage. I just, was like, wow. Looks like I'm trying to hit some girdles. Gosh, I look creepy. I misspelled sandwich. SANDWICH. Wow. The music. Yeah, no, I don't think I even put the volume up. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? Can't you tell? A monstrosity about to murder you. He's even talking in our bubble chat. That is unacceptable. Also, why is this guy like... Oh! Bro, you already made one expression, don't make two. That just makes no sense. You're already scared of stuff. I can already tell, but Also, where even was that girl that said, "Are those dot dot snakes?" Oh, she's right there. Well, hope she dies. Guys, there's an open restroom in the right corner. Oh, the left. The full airplane experience wasn't really an experience. It was more of a, I don't know. Also, how did I even say that? But later I'm like, wait, where? gosh, are we accepting random friend requests now? Also, that big guy, he looked like he was about to die. Kit Fisto. Kit Fisto. If you're watching this video, probably not. This is like probably the second time. Now I gotta match this up again. So, yeah. Don't worry, you see this? This is not actually what I have. Look. You see this video? Then you look in the other video. Wait, what was the other video again? Yikes. I forgot I never uploaded it. How come people watch my Principals one, even though that one was such a failure? I'm flexing right now, yo. I wonder if I'm from the swag team. Guys, please expel me if I'm in the tag team. Yeah, Captain Obvious. No, thank your dang life. Cause you guys live for a reason. Life. Yikes. I so your attention, passengers. The good news is the power is back. Didn't we just say that? Moron, maybe your team is literally smacked on the bed. The bad news is that we're losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oh no, discrimination. I had brown. Even she had brown hair. Oh, same here. Oh wait, it was. Okay, I guess I already figured that out earlier. This mask? What if the other person doesn't even have a mask and had just died and respawned without a mask? PJ Mask, the mask. I am moving my dang task. It's your task. Your task is to die. Oh my god, what is that? It looks like a freaking bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? Sonic boom, sonic boom, sonic boom. Okay, everyone calm down. Sonic boom, sonic boom. If we find something to shark up to cut the wires, we may be able to save Strawberry. Magic does one. I have a question. This is the second time that she got in danger. So I cut the blue wire, and there's a surprise since I cut the blue wire. Beep, beep, beep. Bada boo! Oh. Wow, I saved it. I saved her. We did it? No, I did it. I am a funny comedian. Ready to hit you up with funny. How long is this video? Actually, I'm just gonna pause the video. I have to use the restroom.